Good morning, students. Today we are starting with the 12th chapter, that is formatting a spreadsheet. This is a chapter named formatting data in a spreadsheet. All right. In this chapter, first of all, I would like to tell you how you can format the text. Suppose if I have written something, I just need to format it. I'll select it and I'll be going to the home. I can click on this to change the style of writing. I can change the size. I can make it look bold, italic and underline. I can change the color from here, and we can change the background color with this. So all this formatting I can apply. I can make it left align, center align, right align, like this. So you will be able to better see the alignment like this now. Alright, after this alignment I would like to tell you about this number formatting, but just a moment. For that, let me write down some numbers. I have written some numbers. Now I want to format these numbers. For that, I will select the numbers. I will click on this number dialog box. I am opening the format cell dialog box through this arrow dialog launcher. I just need to select the number and select the decimal places, so that you can by default set how many decimal places you want for every number. Alright, if it has some decimal places, it's fine. Otherwise it is going to place 00 after the number. After that, I would like to tell you about the sometimes what happens, you are writing the number only, but this number is either the pin code or the phone number, which we do not need to calculate at all, which are not going to be using any mathematical operators in it. So we can make them look like a text only. They should not behave like the number, they should behave like the text only. For that, again, I can open this number dialog box, this number formatting, that is format cells, and under that you can select the text and click on OK. Now this text will these numbers will behave like text. Alright. Now if you have to write a very long number, for that what you can do is or either very long or very small numbers. For that, again, you need to open this and you can just go for the scientific notation, okay, and decimal places to say. Okay, and now suppose if I'm writing this and this is my number, so it will automatically be writing the number like this. Alright, that is what is called the scientific notation. Suppose I have written the date like this. Okay, now I want to change the style of writing the date. Again, I need to open this same dialog box of format cells, select the style of date, and on the left side in the category, first of all you need to choose the date, select the style of date and click on OK. Similarly, you can change the time styles also. For example, if I have written like this, go to the number and select the style of time you want to write. Suppose if I want this style of time, I can write it like this. Okay. Now, formatting the alignment. Suppose if I have to change the alignment. For that, what you need to do, suppose let me just select some data for which I want to change the alignment. You just need to click on this alignment, format cells alignment dialog box launcher. You have to open this alignment tab, will get open. In this you can change the horizontal alignment. You want it to be left aligned, it will be left aligned. If you want it to be center aligned, you can make it center aligned, right aligned. Alright. The new one in this is a fill. Let me give you the example. So for example, I've written 4, nothing happens, isn't it? But suppose if I go for this fill, just a minute, let me take this fill and then click on OK. So as I have taken whatever number I have taken, get filled with that number. Okay, suppose I've just selected this range, I go for this alignment and just choose fill there and I click on OK. Now whatever number I am writing, it will get filled with that. Alright. Then we have vertical alignment. Vertical alignment, you will better be able to understand if we have the space vertically. Suppose if this is the data and go for the alignment, you choose the top alignment. We can make our text appear in the top. Similarly, you can choose center or the bottom as well. See, I can take center, I can take bottom. Just if I already explained you in the MS Word, because it better works in paragraphs. Okay. Whenever we have something more to write, there we can use the justified. It's not only that we can use it in the paragraphs only. Justified is when you need to have a symmetry on the left side as well as on the right side. Now I would like to tell you, these three options: wrap text, shrink to fit, and the merge cells. Let me just tell you about that. For example, I have written something very long, and now I'll show you what is the difference between these three. If I've chosen this wrap text, see what will happen. The text will get wrapped, alright, in different, vertically. And if I just choose shrink to fit, see, the text will become that small that it gets fit in the one cell only. So let me just undo it. And now the third one is a default one, when the bar between the cells get disappeared and the text is being written. It is a default one which we are otherwise also having now. So this is about alignment class. After that we have fill handle. Suppose if I have written 1 and I am using this fill handle, I will be able to copy this value 1. If I have written January and I have just dragged it, it's going to write February, March, April and all. Alright. Similarly, if I have written 2 and the 4, 24, never mind, I have written 48. So it is going to write down the different, what is the difference between 24 and 48. The same difference is going to be get continued in the further cells. Alright. So this is how you can use the this fill handle. Suppose if I have written equals to this plus this, alright, B23 plus C23. Now I just drag it, so I will be able to copy my formula like this. My formula has been copied for all the cells using fill handle only. So that's it about this chapter. Thank you. कुछ गड़बड़ है, नहीं बनी? हाँ, नहीं बनी। चलो